Aqara upgraded their video doorbell, and while it's not perfect, there have been some significant updates and improvements, including my biggest issue with the original G4 video doorbell. We now get 2K resolution. The original was just 1080p. The new G410 also has a wider 175-degree lens, whereas the original was just 162 degrees. Both wireless and hardwire installation options now equipped with millimeter wave presence detection. The G410 is also equipped with multiple connection protocols, Thread, Zigbee, and dual band Wi-Fi. There are various storage options, both cloud and local. You can also sync videos to a local NAS, and the G410 has RTSP support, a big win if you use Home Assistant or some other third-party client for streaming or recording.